Good morning to all of you, children. I welcome you all in this session of General Knowledge or GK. Today we will be dealing with the plant kingdom, and in that very special kind of plants that eat insects or carnivorous. Plants can be carnivorous. How hard it is to believe, but that's true. No, there are many insects eating plants. These plants prey on insects. They are found in wet and marshy land because at those places there are too many insects. Now you have to read out the description and find the name of the plant from the jumbled name given below in the blanks. Now BROCATNALP. This plant attracts insect by spreading a sweet smell, right? Smell. After capturing the insect, it kills them quickly. It has a tubular and forked leaves resembling a rearing cobra. COBRA. And now you can see that, just have a glimpse of this word and see this. They're almost identical. So it's a cobra plant. Right, children? It is a cobra plant. Right? Now we move on to the second one. SEVUNRATPYLE. This plant grows in the soil with no minerals, whereas all plants need minerals to grow for their proper growth. Being a mineral-less soil, it covers extra minerals by catching and digesting insects inside them. Right? That means it catches the animals and it digests them. And there is only one plant that does that. SEVUN can be rearranged into Venus, VENUS. So it is Venus flytrap. Venus, the E is wrongly written. Make it F. It is Venus flytrap. FLYTRAP. VENUS, Venus, FLYTRAP. Right? Okay. Now we come to the next one. See, this plant bears hollow leaves. Right? These leaves look like tubes. Leaves produce a nectar that smells sweet. This nectar attracts the insects into the tube. The liquid inside the leaves dissolve the insects in a few days. So it's a very peculiar kind of plant having tubes inside it, and this is only one plant that can do this. It is the pitcher plant. Pitcher, PITCHER. Pitcher plant does this, right? PITCHER. Pitcher plant. We move to the next one, right? RTOW, RTOW, RDDEALB. It is a water plant. It has small hollow sacs that actively capture and digest tiny insects and worms. Right? Now the first one can be rearranged into wort, WORT, and the second one is bladder, BLADDER. It's a wort bladder or bladder wort, anything you can say. Right? Okay. Now see, this is a very unique name. Dash. Its leaves are covered with sticky tentacles which suffocate the insect inside it within a few seconds. And guess what? The name is correct. It is very correctly written, sundew. Sundew is correct. And the other one is arranged just in the opposite way. It is plant. So it is sundew plant. And now we come to the last one. It produces bright purple flowers and bright yellowish green leaves. The leaves produce a sticky fluid. When insect gets stuck, the edge of the leaves slowly roll over. When the insect are digested, the leaf edges unroll. And this is none other than butter. See, it is written in the opposite राइट, Butter is written, ठीक आपको रिवर्स में लिखना है जाना, Butterworts, butterworts, right, it is butterworts, right children. So our six choices are: first one cobra plant, second Venus flytrap, third pitcher plant, fourth one is bladderwort, right, bladderwort, Bladder, and wort, right, you will write wort bladder. Then sundew plant is the fifth one, and the sixth one is butterworts, Butterworts, right children. So these are the six plants which eat insects. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it. Until we meet again, it's a goodbye.